Bye-bye. Sick. Well, I'll just What the heck? Well, that was weird. Oh! Company! Ah! Oh, what is this? Who are you? What is this place?
This is the land of the Shredder Pass, and I've been here for so long.
What's wrong?
Nice shirt. Nice. Thank you.